Hey, this is William Trudeau at Tru-Landscape Design, and today we're going to take the Mr. Twister sprinkler removal tool and we're going to actually use it here in this planter area. We're going to take this pop-up spray head and convert it to drip irrigation, kind of a common thing that's going on here in California. So some of the stuff I have laid out here, this is the size pop-up that we're pulling out today. This one happens to be an 1812 Rainbird, and as you see here it has the side port. What I've already done here is attach my drip tubing, and I've connected a couple extra pieces on here, and the reason being is because once we get that sprinkler out, we're going to slide Mr. Twister on using that hex head on the end. It's going to lock on, and that's going to give us a nice fitting that'll match up with the sprinkler that we're using. So that's kind of what we're going to do here. The first thing we're going to do, and today Mr. Twister can normally take sprinklers out on almost all occasions with no digging, but today's an occasion where I'm going to recommend that we do just a little bit of digging, because we want to get down past the roots that are entangled around this side port, and let's just clear that out. Less stress on the tool, less chance of breaking anything. So here we go. So we're going to take our little shovel. Just going to pull some of this out. Just going to move some of this out by hand here. You know that 1812 sprinkler goes down a long ways, as you can see. But we're just going to go down to the top where the side port is. You know what? We just about have it, so let's just do a little bit more in here. Feel it? Alright. Alright. Let's move some of our dirt away from the hole. So at this point, use our channel locks. Let's go ahead and just remove that cap. Loosen it. Let's pull this whole body out. Rod down inside. Now once we get our drip tubing hooked up, even if we did get a little bit of dirt in here, it's okay, because we're going to flush it out anyways. Today I brought a big crescent wrench. We can use that. That'll help get the torque that we need. I'm just going to loosen this. Again, less wear and tear on Mr. Twister by just doing a little bit of digging there. And again, as you can see, we pulled out some roots and things like that. We just don't want to take any chances of damaging anything. So I believe this is loose. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Okay. Let's remove Mr. Twister. Now let's go ahead and insert our drip tubing. Again, we're going to have everything line up with the hex. This is the male hex that goes to a barb fitting, and then it's going to go into the female side of the Mr. Twister. At this point, we're going to go ahead and remove our rod and drop that back down in the hole. Okay, grab those threads, tighten it on. Couple more turns there. Just go ahead and pull that off. So at that point now, as you can see, our drip tubing is attached. I'm going to go ahead and bury the hole. At this point, we can go ahead and cut the drip tubing here at the surface. In this case, we're going to run some lateral drip tubing lines this way, as well as towards you on the camera, and we're going to pick up watering these plants. Much more efficient, less water waste, and that's what Tru-Landscape Design is all about, saving you time, money, and also saving you water. Thanks so much for watching our video.